Hello society polishers, welcome back to another video. I'm Victoria, known as Official Polish Queen, and welcome to the channel. If you're new, please go ahead, like this video and subscribe to join the tribe. If you're not new, welcome back, society polisher. So today what I have for you guys, we're talking about conquering self-doubt and building your personal brand. So if you're ready, go ahead and dive in. So if you're like most people, you find yourself constantly getting in your own way, holding yourself back from achieving your goals, and it's not helping you build a personal brand. And if you're wondering, why are you doing this? We're going to dive into this and more, plus give you a few tips and tricks to help you along this journey and breaking out of the fear so you can finally create a polished and profitable online brand. So the first thing that we need to do is really understand this fear. When it comes to understanding the fear, we have to first and foremost know that fear is actually natural. It's a response to the unknown, okay? So it's caused by many of different factors, including past experiences, lack of confidence, and societal pressures. So it's important to recognize that fear can be holding you back, but if you realize this and you're observant of it, you can identify the root cause of that fear, and before you know it, you'll be on your way to step 2, which is reframing your mindset, okay? When it comes to reframing your mindset, we know that instead of viewing the fear as negative, we start viewing it as an opportunity for growth. By reframing our mindset, we start to see fear as a sign that we're on the right track and that we're pushing ourselves out of our comfort zone. So, like I said, the fear is natural. We're going to experience it, and that's how we know that we're doing something different and we're striving to reach the top. We're not staying in the old self. We're rising to new levels, and that's how you know that you're on the track. So, we begin to reframe that mindset. That takes us to a new level. And then once we reframe the mindset, we take inspired action. Inspired action is the next step to overcoming fear, because the fear can get you stuck where you're in analysis paralysis and you're constantly overthinking but never taking action, okay? This is the only way to really truly overcome fear, is by really just doing it, okay? We can sit back and not want to record a video. We can think about, oh, I don't have the right lighting today, or oh, I didn't have any clean shirts to wear. We can think about, oh, the battery isn't charged. Whatever excuse we have, we can think of all these excuses, but we have to really learn that, guess what? There is nobody perfect. We start small and we build the momentum to keep going. So over time, as we continue to take action, you get better and better. You get more confident in your abilities, and you are able to build your personal brand by being unique, being unapologetically you, and going ahead and doing what it do, as I always say. So step 4 is building a personal brand. Once you've already addressed your fears, you know it's time to go ahead and start really taking your brand serious, and you know that your brand is how other people are perceiving you. So it's important to be intentional about how you present yourself when you're on the online world, okay? Whatever you want to call it, online atmosphere, the online presence. When you're online, you want to make sure that you're doing your best, of course, but we're not perfect, so don't overthink it. Just be you. What I want you guys to realize is when you identify your brand values, your brand vision, mission, all of these things are going to help you when it's time for you to get on camera, when it's time for you to represent your brand. These are going to be your foundational aspects that keep you on point whenever that fear starts to come up. It does come up, and that's okay. So we identify our strengths, our passions, and that's what helps us build a brand that reflects on what we are most comfortable with. So even if we have fear, even if, whatever comes up, we are staying true to our values, our mission, our goals, and that's what helps us shine like never before. And that's the value that you need, even if you have fear. So it's not about the mental state of being, of having a fear. It's about taking action and showing up unapologetically time after time. Okay, so when you show up, you share your knowledge, your expertise, you are able to be authentic, transparent, you're able to engage with your audience, you're able to really strive and give them the valuable information that they need, because without you showing up, they might not get the information they need, because they are your audience. Your audience is only going to really feel the information coming from you, because no one can say that information like you can say it. No one has the message, the authority, the information like you. That's why it's important for each and every one of us to continue to show up no matter what, okay? So as a conclusion, fear can be a powerful force that holds you back, but like I said, there's duality. It can hold you back or it can't. You can decide to know that fear is normal. It can come up, but you can still take action and do what you need to do regardless of what that fear is, okay? We can't allow it to hold us back from achieving our goals. We have to understand our fears. We have to understand that we can reframe those and use it for growth, use it for improving, getting better, and helping us overall build a powerful brand. We cannot allow it to stop us, and we have to begin to learn to live the life of our dreams by not allowing fears, which is an illusion, to hold us back, okay? So I hope this video was valuable, inspirational, and everything that you needed today. If you guys have any questions about how you can really conquer your self-doubt to really build a strong, powerful personal brand, how to be authentic, transparent, and unique, let me know whatever questions you have down in the comment section below. If you want to really dive deep into more topics that I discuss, be sure to watch the next video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Stay polished in for the win, and thank you for watching.